Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Those are beautiful pieces of art. Okay, so do you mind if I record a video, like asking you questions?
What?
Do you mind?
I don't mind, but what questions are you going to ask? Just in case I freeze.
Related to art.
Okay.
Just like free range questions.
Okay.
Just like what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
So if you're comfortable, you can stand like in front of your art.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I'm going to repeat the same question I asked before. When did you start doing art?
I started doing art when I was about 5.
Oh, okay.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I was really, really young, as young as I can remember, I would draw down little things, I would sketch a bit and whatnot, you know.
Oh, okay.
From there, I started to improve.
Oh, okay. So, do you see this as a business, or you just see this as something that you do for pastime or leisure? Is it?
I would see it as a part-time thing, but also full-time. Get what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I
then also
understand.
it's more me trying to tell my stories. If it sells, it sells. It doesn't matter. But I just want the audience to know that I can tell stories using my art.
Oh, okay. So, who really inspired you to start doing art? Who really inspired you?
Nobody.
Okay, so you just started on your own.
I just started my own.
Okay, so it's a God given. Yeah. Okay.
But my dad
Okay.
used to do art.
Oh, really?
But it wasn't.
So it runs in the family.
Yes, my dad, my brother.
Wow. So it's
We
like a
have
family of
artists.
artists.
We have writers. We have poets.
Oh, so it's like a family of creatives.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's nice. So what's your name?
Dorothy Mumbi.
Dorothy. Okay. Miles.
Miles.
Okay. So are you available on Instagram or any?
Yes, you can find me on Instagram at Dorothy Mumbi or DOROTH.Y_.
Okay, that's nice. I would love to check out more of your art, because like this is like a limited collection. I really fell in love with the Drake
I know.
and the J. Cole one.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for accepting the red card. Okay, thank you very much.
What's your YouTube channel so I can shout it out?
Okay, my YouTube channel is Disc TV.
This TV, guys. Follow, subscribe, and comment, like, share.